Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I want to talk to you about the United States tariff situation and if you run a dropshipping store or if you plan to start a new dropshipping store. And yeah, of course, right now with the new tariff situation that is currently imposed on products from China, yeah, it is pretty difficult for everyone who wants to start a dropshipping store in the United States, for the EU and other countries. Of course, this has no effect, but yeah, if you want to start dropshipping store in the United States, or if you are outside the United States and want to start a dropshipping into the United States, then it is yeah, pretty difficult and almost impossible right now, because yeah, when you source a product from AliExpress, for example, and want to sell this um, on your store in the United States, then yeah, the tariffs, the import fees are so high that at the moment I think it does not make that much sense to start a new dropshipping store. And yeah, this is why I want to show you an alternative, but there is light at the end of the tunnel, and this is what I want to show you. So when you want to start a dropshipping store in the United States, then you can use a service like Sellvia. Sellvia is a pretty good service. So Sellvia offers you dropshipping products. You can start a new dropshipping store, or you can buy an existing dropshipping store, and then you can source the product directly from warehouses inside the United States. And then, yeah, you will have no problems with the high tariffs, with the import fees, and so on. You can simply import, if you have a WooCommerce store, then you can import or install the Sellvia plugin into your WooCommerce store. Then you can simply import the product directly from the United States warehouse and yeah, sell them on your store. And they have really good prices, and you can make a really good margin on the products you sell. So here I am right now on the website of Sellvia, and I will put the link to this website in the video description down below so you can check it out. And it is relatively simple. All you have to do is install the plugin. It is the same, almost the same if you're using the plugin for AliExpress, for example. You can source from thousands and thousands of products and from a lot of different categories, product categories. And then, yeah, you can import your desired products and start selling them. And the good thing, of course, is, yeah, the shipping time, for example. The shipping is extremely fast. It's a 1 to 3 days shipping time. If a customer wants to send back the articles yeah, bought on your store, then they will send it back to the specific warehouse, and you can refund them, and also Sellvia will refund you. And this is, I think, a really good solution. Of course, it's a little bit, expensive, a little bit more expensive than when you yeah, source the product directly from China, from AliExpress, let's say. But yeah, I think this is a really good solution in case you want to start a new dropshipping store, or yeah, change your existing dropshipping store away from China, away from AliExpress to the United States. Then you can go with this service. I think this is a good idea. And yeah, like I said, I will put the link to this website in the video description down below, so you can check it out. You can buy even pre-made dropshipping stores, but also, like I said, like a preview said, you can import or you can install the plugin and then source the product directly from those warehouses. Yeah, and also if you want, you can check this out. This is also really cool. They offer, I found this here on the website, they offer high-ticket dropshipping stores, pre-made high-ticket dropshipping stores, where you can sell yeah, really high-ticket items. You can see, for example, beds, table, chairs, drones, robots, countertops, and all the good stuff. I will put the link to this page well in the video description. You can check it out. I think you have also 40-day trial, 40-day trial period here, but I'm not too sure. Yeah, maybe you click here on get my store, then you can check it out how the stores look like. You don't have to buy them, of course. You can first try them out and check out the designs, choose the right niche you want to have a store in, and this is a really good product, really good service. And yeah, if you want to read a little bit more, and of course I wrote a complete article about the new tariff situation in the United States, or yeah, tariff situation with China in the United States. So you can check it out. I wrote a complete article on my LinkedIn page. You can check it out. I think it is relatively interesting. You find also all the relevant links in this article. And yeah, so I think that's it for the video. So, and of course, if you are in Europe or in other countries, then you are not affected at all. You can, yeah, still use AliExpress, and you can still import directly the product from AliExpress and let it send to your customers from China. So if you are in Europe or other countries, then you are not affected by the new tariff situation. And yeah, so that's it for the video. So if you are interested in creating a new dropshipping store and you are a little bit confused about the tariff situation, yeah, check out the websites here. I will put the link to the website in the video description down below. You can read everything yourself about the plugin, about the complete websites. You can watch the full video, explainer video on how this works. They have a really good video here where they explain everything in detail, and you can check everything out. So then, yeah, I think that's it for the video. So if you found the video informative, or if you have any questions, then put it in the comments down below. I will try to answer all your questions as soon as I can. And yeah, so if you liked the video, if you found the video informative, then of course I would appreciate if you press the thumbs up button, and also, yeah, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And that's it for the video. So thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye, guys.